So if you click here, show sweepable body, so here you can see nothing is coming. So first we have to split both these things from this cube. So go to geometry, add geometry in space claim. So I'm going to split body, select this, and from this face. Okay, so you can see this is separate body here. Again go to split, select this, select split body, select this one, and select cutter, and here we have to select face. Okay, so you can see 3 body has come. Okay, close this one, update. So you can see this has been updated here. Delete. Okay, clear generated data. Now right click, so if like here we can identify this one because number of body are very less. If number of body are more, then we can click here show sweepable body, so it is showing 2 body here. Okay, so insert, method, geometry, this one, press Ctrl, select this one, apply, method, sweep. Okay, and number of division to 10. Okay, generate mesh. So you can see this, and insert another method for this body, apply automatic, we have to replace with multi-zone. Okay, so in multi-zone X. Okay, now generate mesh. So in multi-zone, so in multi-zone we are going to do hexadominant. Okay, generate mesh. So you can see sizing also, we can adjust to 2. generate mesh. Yeah. Now I'm going to section plane, create a new plane. Okay. So you can see meshing. It is having tetra, hex, wedge, pyramid also. So these are wedge. Okay, thank you.